Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Ceridian Dayforce payroll account. Now let's move on and open up any web browser on your PC. Now type in dayforcehcm.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will land it to its official login page. Type in your company name, username, and your account password. If in case you can't remember your credentials, then you can tap on can't access your account and retrieve your account details. Now after entering all the details, you need to tap on login button to get logged into your account. And that's how you will get logged into your account. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to tap on bell icon so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. I will be back in another video. Keep watching.